how to change or remove phone number on Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change or remove phone number on Spotify. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Spotify on your browser. So simply you have to open any browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for spotify.com, and from there you'll have to log in with your account. Alright, so after you log in with your account, you'll got search interface. So from here you'll have to tap on this setting icon just at the top right corner. So simply tap on this gear icon. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option view account, and now from here you'll have to go the option edit profile. Okay, so from the edit profile section you'll be able to see your options like phone number. So I'm not getting that options, so in your case you might be getting the options like phone number, and from there you can easily change or remove the phone number on Spotify. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.